Here you go, 2013 Ford Econonline handicap wheelchair conversion van. Tuscany VMI conversion. Has a side entry wheelchair lift, power doors, transfer seat, hand controls. It's a fully wireless system as well. It also has a wired function too. You can operate everything using the remotes. It also has a magnetic tail light to operate the wheelchair lift as well. Rear power folding bench seat bed. Flat screen TV, 76,000 original miles. Very nice clean van. Give you the full tour here. Nice black paint. Everything's working and functioning the way it's supposed to. Very nice up and down the sides. Couple little marks from normal wear and tear, as to be expected for the year and mileage. Does have backup camera. It's a Southern vehicle, no rust. It's got good tires. They're about 60% good, maybe even a little better. Overall, it shows very nicely. Clean history, of course. Got your Ricon S-Series wheelchair lift, 600-pound capacity. You got your electric doors, 6-way transfer seat, rear power folding bench seat, goes up and down. Have factory navigation along with backup camera. Factory nav, backup camera. Has remote start. 76,741 miles. That could go up a little with demonstrating. Got your B&D transfer seat here. Carpeting's in nice shape. There's a little bit of wear on the carpet from wheelchair going in and out. Overall, it's very nice. Seats and carpet and the materials all in nice shape. It's a very nice clean van. Does have a tow package, rear parking sensors. Does have all of the original manuals as well. The bench seat. Show you how that folds up and down power. Pretty nice clean van. Just let us know if you're interested. We're happy to help if you have any questions. Does have the raised side entry doors as well. Give you a little more clearance going in. Flat screen TV, power is on. Thank you.